Grill all you want, pork, beef, chicken, cold cuts at iba pa, lahat unlimited. Samahan ng authentic Korean side dishes in a buffet like kimchi, fish cake, japchae at marami pang iba. For as low as 599, may enjoy nyo na lahat ng ito sa Gogi Marami Premium Unlimited Buffet and Authentic Korean Barbecue. Panalong panalo ang buffet nila na meron ding other menu like their Korean chicken and calamari na unlimited din kaya sulit na sulit. Meron din sila dito mga soups na prepared for your shabu-shabu and self-service egg station. Unlimited din ang kanilang drinks with 2 types of iced tea, fruits, and desserts. Kaya sa mga mahilig sa sangyup gaya namin, upgrade your sangyup experience kasi perfect itong place na ito sa susunod nyong sangyup crave at getaway with friends and family. Check out Gogi Marami because they are now at Madrigal Business Park, Ayala, Alabang. They are open for walk-ins and reservations, especially for large groups and occasions.